Office of the Chief Minister's Secretariat, the Jury Government of Manipur. Government in Exile. London, United Kingdom. Press release. The London, the 29th of October 2022. A statement of the Chief Minister of Manipur on the eve of the restoration of independence of Manipur from India. Dear beloved people of Manipur, the day of the 29th of October 2022 is the fourth formal announcement of the declaration of independence of Manipur from India. In proper order, Manipur restored its independence from India on the 14th of August 2012 with the London Declaration on the 29th of October 2019, lawfully and constitutionally. The Indian government overthrew the constitutional government of Manipur by an illegal Manipur Administration Order 1949 on the 15th of October 1949. Indian government misguided the world community Manipur's illegal annexation by an illegal order of the state's merger, Chief Commissioner's Provinces, Order 1950 by incompetent authority C. Rajagopalachari, Governor-General of the Dominion of India on the 22nd of January 1950. It was a great mistake of the Indian government. The excluded state of Manipur was not a territory of India since excluded from Indian Empire by the Order in Council of His Majesty under Section 91 of the Government of India Act 1935 on the 27th of December 1946. Article 11 of the Constitution of India prejudicially embodied that India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states is misread. It shall be correctly read as India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of India. India became a Union of India, formerly British India and Dominion of India, now State of India, since the Republic Constitution of India was adopted and enacted by the Constituent Assembly of India on the 27th of November 1949, simultaneously with the India Consequential Provision Act 1949 enacted by the British Parliament on the 16th of December 1949. The de jure government of Manipur, exile in the United Kingdom, earnestly requested de facto Indian government try to understand precisely the following 8 points as highlighted below. Point 1. About the different powers and functions of the Government of India, Union Government, Central Government and Government of the Indian Union. Point 2. About the existing law in India and continuance of existing laws in India, provisions provided in Articles of the Republic Constitution of India. It is the basic structure of the Republic Constitution of India. The Republic Constitution of India is the product of the Government of India Act 1935, Indian Independence Act 1947 and India Provisional Constitution, Order 1947. Point 3. About the existing law in India and operation of existing laws in India, provisions provided in different sections of India Consequential Provision Act 1949 of the British Parliament. Point 4. About the Section 3 of the British Statutes, Application to India, Repeals Act 1960 of the Indian Parliament. For the removal of doubts, it is hereby declared that the repeal by this Act of any British statute shall not affect the operation of any such statute in relation to India and to persons and things in any way belonging to or connected with India in any country to which the India Consequential Provision Act 1949 extends. Point 5. About Article 2.4 of the Charter of the United Nations and General International Law. All members shall refrain in their international relations from the threat or use of force against the territorial integrity or political independence of any state, or in any other manner inconsistent with the purposes of the United Nations. Point 6. About who made the political arrangement in India. The British sovereign made the political arrangement in India not by the Indian government under the Cabinet Mission Memorandum, Cabinet Mission Plan, His Majesty's Government Statement, Indian Independence Act 1947 and India Provisional Constitution, Order 1947 of the British Parliament, as well as Extra Provincial Jurisdiction Act 1947. Point 7. Lord Mountbatten, a prince, was appointed by His Majesty under the Royal Sign Manual as Governor-General. As a Governor-General, he has been representing His Majesty from the 15th of August 1947 till the 21st of June 1948. Mountbatten was the Governor-General of India and Governor-General of the Dominion of India till the 21st of June 1948. Mountbatten, as the executive authority of India and the Dominion of India, can execute the agreement or instruments and pass or issue the orders. Point 8. C. Rajagopalachari, an Indian political leader, was appointed by the law of the Legislature of the Dominion of India as Governor-General of the Dominion of India on the 22nd of June 1948. He never represented His Majesty and was not Governor-General and Governor-General of India. C. Rajagopalachari never was an executive authority of India, therefore, he cannot execute the agreement or instrument and pass or issue the order. To restore peace and security in Manipur, the Indian government must immediately withdraw the Republic Constitution of India and Indian armies from the territory of the excluded princely state of India. Together, we, the people of Manipur as a nation, fight the alien Indians to restore the de facto sovereignty of Manipur by holding the democratic election in Manipur under the Manipur State Constitution Act 1947 at the earliest possible. The codified Manipur State Constitution Act 1947 is the supreme law for the governance and administration of the state and its people. It is the supremacy of the State Constitution Act. Lastly, we seek political support from the world communities, particularly the United Kingdom, and legal support from His Majesty the King to restore peace and security in the princely state of Manipur. Manipur has been a separate sovereign country from Indian Empire since its independence from the British on the 14th of August 1947. God bless Manipur. Yambam Biren, Chief Minister of Manipur.